Hi, Dada.
Did you eat something blue? Do you have some M&Ms? Blue M&Ms? Yeah, your
The
tongue.
nuts at me.
Yeah, your tongue is blue. You are listening to the
Layla.
and Dada show.
That was great.
That was a good one. Yeah. So, I have no shirt on because I just did karate and now I'm really hot.
Yeah, so that's why you took everything off.
Yeah. Had a virtual karate class because of the virus. I can't go to. Yeah, you see my hand? I got some boo-boos.
Where to?
You know why? You know why I have boo-boos?
Why?
Because I've been washing my hands so much because of the virus, and I hit the heavy bag, the kick bag before, and it opened up some cracks in my skin, and now I've got some boo-boos. See, my knuckles are all rough.
Yeah.
I gotta use lotion.
Yeah.
Don't.
Just feel them with my nails. Look, I have one of those.
A birthmark? Yeah.
You have a lot.
I have a lot of birthmarks.
Right here.
Tell me what you did today.
Here.
Tell me what you did today. Can you stop worrying about that and tell me what you did today?
Me and Ethan were just playing with cups, and he was knocking ones down that I didn't want him to knock down when I was not even done, but I only got to finish one towel.
One?
I mean, kind of a lot, because I did them when Ethan was sleeping, too. Can everybody hear me?
Yeah, they can hear you.
Okay.
Remember what that's called up there on the screen?
No.
Wave form. Remember? Wave. Strike a pose.
Wave. Hello, everybody. So it's another day at home.
It is another. But it was nicer today. We went outside 2 times. One was a little chilly.
This is 7.
7 what?
7.
Oh, this is now episode 8, I think, or 9.
But we already... The other day was 6.
Oh, we're ready. I'll show you later. I think this is 8 or 9.
Or maybe...
You're going to count forever? You're going to count how many we do?
I don't think. What if you do and I forget?
I made a website for the show.
What?
It's my website.com/show. scottwine.com/show.
I don't really like it.
You don't like it? You can also go to anchor.fm/Layla Dada. And somebody can leave Layla a message. Can leave you a message.
And we can, just do something at home. Can I be this close?
Why don't you get... People should leave you a message with ideas of what sort of drawings you can do. That's a good idea, right?
Can I, go how far this goes?
What do you mean?
I want to go how far this goes.
You're sitting in a perfect spot. Stop moving. So we went outside earlier. It was a little windy. We went outside for a little bit. And then you had school today, online.
You have a big one.
I know. I have a lot of birthmarks.
Mm-hmm.
And you had your class today with your teacher and your friends?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I even called Hannah and Danny and... Only Hannah and Danny. Yeah, Hannah and Danny.
And you had a FaceTime with both your teachers today too, right? Yeah. They missed you.
Mm-hmm.
They called Mom and said, "We miss Layla."
And Miss Sago,
Oh, she made funny faces at you? That's funny.
And she was a mouse.
She was a mouse? Oh. Does she have a phone like Dada's that you can turn your face into something?
Yeah, I think that.
One of those things?
Well, do you have a push button?
No.
Maybe she has the same. But she does have a push button. Doot, 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 doot.
Dude.
Yeah.
Don't touch the mic.
It does doot.
Oh.
And she has a one with you.
Okay. And then after your class and Dada stopped working for the day, you went outside again, you played,
Mm-hmm.
right? Did a lot of obstacle courses. You did a lot Are you sitting up and doing this, or are you going to lay down in my chair and go to sleep?
I can lay down.
You're going to lay down and go to sleep so we can stop the show?
No, I just want to lay down and talk.
No, you have to talk into the microphone or nobody can hear you.
Oh, okay.
Remember that? You forgot?
Yeah, and remember when Ethan was like crying in this video?
Oh, the other day. These aren't videos. There's no video.
I tried. I don't know. Can we play Do You Like or Not Like?
Again?
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead.
Do you like or love to fix things for me?
You've already asked me that one. I love fixing things for you.
Do you like or love to make cameras?
Make cameras? I have never made a camera before.
So maybe you can try.
Oh, maybe one day I can try to make a camera. Maybe you'll get one of those boxes where you can make things, and maybe it'll be a camera.
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
Yeah, because cameras are your favorite.
Mm-hmm.
And I like princesses and queens and
So we should make a princess and a queen? Well, you're my princess.
I'm a queen.
You're my queen?
I like queens better. The fairy queen.
Oh.
So I can fly.
Yeah. Okay. I wonder what we're going to do tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's Friday. And normally on Fridays we would do something really, really fun because it's the weekend, but we're home again. So I don't know what we're going to do.
I don't know.
I really don't know. What do you want to do tomorrow?
I don't know. Dad, remember how she sat on a baby?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah. Shel Silverstein wrote a whole book about funny things like that. Babysitters, they sit on babies.
Yeah.
Yeah, except you don't like it when Dada sits on your baby.
Can you never do that anymore?
Okay, I won't sit on babies anymore. Until tomorrow.
If you do,
Mm-hmm.
you just need to apologize to me.
Apologize to you and the baby.
No.
Just to
Just
you?
me.
Okay.
Because
you're real.
They're not real, and
Right.
I am. So you need to apologize to me. Because you won't remember when I said this. Because it would be a long time when you sat on the baby.
Mm.
Okay? If you sit on the baby, that's okay, because you will apologize.
Do you know what in karate that we, instead of saying yes or no
What?
or hi or bye, do you know what we say instead of that?
No.
Bush.
Ush?
Bush. Isn't that a funny word?
Yeah.
Yeah. We bow and say ush.
That's silly.
Mm.
I know.
You tell me something silly.
Blah, 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 blah.
That's just talking silly. Why don't you tell me something silly? Tell me a joke or tell me a funny story.
Joke. Why did the penguin walk across the road?
Why did the penguin walk across the road? I don't know. Why did the penguin?
Because it wanted to find some ice
Oh, that's pretty silly.
when it was snowing out
Oh, that's a good one.
to skate on with his belly.
That's so silly.
How about your turn?
Why the chicken crossed the road?
I don't know.
To get to the other side.
That's not really funny.
Oh, okay.
My friends always say that.
Yeah, that's a classic.
Kinda.
Yeah.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
Because it wanted to eat all the food.
You're so silly.
See?
Yeah.
Mine is cereal.
Yeah. You're right.
Why did the kids want to go on the carousel?
Just spin, spin, spin.
Because they wanted to get dizzy.
Oh, that's silly. Yeah. I can't wait until we can go back to the playground again.
Yeah. Why did the kids want to go on the playground?
To play. To have a good time.
No, because they wanted to jump and play and do everything, blah, blah.
Do everything blah blah. You're silly. You told a lot of jokes today in the show.
Why did people need glasses?
To see.
Because they wanted to not see.
Well, I don't get
I'm
it. You're
being
weird.
silly.
You're being real silly.
Why did no one have nothing on their body, just skin?
No clothes?
Yeah.
They're showering?
Because they didn't do anything.
I don't get it. You're weird. What's with your
Why?
weird? Okay, all done jokes.
How about we make a story? You, me, you.
Okay,
me,
short
you.
story. Short one because we got to close up the show.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're starting?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, start.
So the little fairy queen
Went to the zoo.
and she saw
Pirate.
you don't talk.
Oh, it's not my turn yet. Pirate.
A pig.
She saw a pig. The fairy queen went to the zoo and saw a pig. And the pig looked at the fairy queen and said, oink.
But it didn't really say oink. It did just for 1 second. Then it talked.
The pig talked.
Real life.
And the pig, his first word was queen.
Queen, I want you to play with the other pigs. I really wish you were here for real life. Please, magic, help me. Get that queen to me. Then your turn.
Oh, can I finish up the story?
No, it's not finished.
Okay, you finish the story.
How about you do? Because
Yeah.
I already had my turn.
I think I'm good with this. It's a good ending. Then the fairy queen played with the pigs.
Then
And they all went oink, 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 oink.
the end.
Good story. Okay, so what should everybody do right now?
How about you just like text me stuff and do the stuff you want me to do?
Well, they should leave you a message.
Yes.
Leave you a message. And then they
And-
should what? They should...
Subscribe.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
You got it, dude. And
I'm not dude.
do this. Do that.
Duty. Dad.
Dada. Layla and Dada show.
Dad. Let's do the show.
Okay. You have been listening to the
Layla
and Dada show.
Beautiful.